grade 2, how are you today? Are you ready to study online? Okay, if you're ready, let's start. Welcome to online math class 2. Okay, if you have Inside Out math book, you can use it as your guidebook. Today we are going to study about chapter 7. Okay, the student will be able to write the capacity of containers in non-standard units, write the volumes of liquid in non-standard units. Compare the capacity of two containers. Okay, here are the vocabulary words that we are going to study. We have capacity, capacity, C-A-P-A-C-I-T-Y, capacity. Okay, what does it mean? The amount of water or liquid a container can hold. Okay, it means it is the amount of water or liquid that can hold. Capacity. Holds more, hold less, meaning comparing capacity. Holds more, H-O-L-D-S-M-O-R-E, holds more. Hold less, H-O-L-D-L-E-S-S, hold less. Very good. Next, larger capacity, smaller capacity. Larger capacity, smaller capacity means comparing capacity. Larger capacity, L-A-R-G-E-R-C-A-P-A-C-I-T-Y, larger capacity. Smaller capacity, S-M-A-L-L-E-R-C-A-P-A-C-I-T-Y, smaller capacity. Very good. Okay, next we have volume. Volume, volume, V-O-L-U-M-E, volume. What does it mean? The amount of water or liquid in a container. Okay, when I say volume, it is the amount of water or a liquid in a container. In the water inside the container, that is a volume. Okay, vocabulary words. Capacity, holds more, hold less, larger capacity, smaller capacity, volume. Very good. Next, we have here comparing capacities and volume. Phi fills a vase with water. Then he pours all the water from the vase into a fishbowl. The fishbowl can hold more water than the vase. We say that the fishbowl has a larger capacity than the vase. These are the vase and these are the bowl. Okay, if you can see the capacity of the bowl and the vase has a smaller capacity, means small capacity, than the fishbowl, means the fishbowl has a larger capacity. Okay, the amount of water or liquid in a container is called volume. Okay, these are the container. Okay, if you look at C, how many cups? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cups to fill the container here. So all the water in the tank filled up 6 cups of water. The volume of water in the tank is 6 cups of water. The capacity of tank is also 6 cups of water. Okay, here are another tank. The volume of water in the tank is now 3 cups of water. The capacity of the tank is still 6 cups of water. So if you can see, if you put only 3 cups of water, the volume of water is half only. Okay, guess how much? Okay, we have here materials needed. Okay, if you have 5 containers, label them A to E. Can get into group of 5. Number 1, take 1 container each. Okay, if you have 5 container, you can put first container is letter A, second container is letter B, and third C, and then D and E. So number 2, each pupil will guess how many ladles of water it will take to fill up their containers. Then write down their estimation in the table under guess. Okay, when you say guess, it means you guess how many container can put uh, water, the volume of water inside the container. Okay, we have here container A, and you can guess how many water, and where you right, is it right or wrong? Your guess, example, you guess 5, is it right, check, or X? Then how many ladles of water filled this container? Example, this container, how many water? Can you guess? Is it correct? Then take turns to use the ladle to fill up your container to check if your guess is right. And write down the volume of water in the table. So here are the example of the table that you will follow. Okay, if you have followed this table, okay, you have 5 container. Okay, can you guess how many water inside the container? Okay, if you are correct, if you are right, you just tick. If you are not right, you write X. Then put how many ladles of water filled in this container. Okay. Okay, this one you can do this after our lessons. Okay, next proceed. Okay, we have here, let's circle the container with the smaller capacity. Okay, what do you think is the smaller capacity here? A. Okay, we have bottle, 2 bottles. Which one here are the smaller capacity? This one or this one? Can you circle? Can you use your finger to circle which one is the smaller capacity? Yeah, go now. Point now and circle which one is the smaller capacity. This one or this one? Circle. Okay, is your answer correct? Okay, very good. Next, letter B. Which of these two has the smaller capacity? This one or this one? Can you circle? Can you circle? And point and circle with your finger? Very good. Did you get it? Okay. Number 2. Circle the container with the largest capacity. Largest, when you say largest, a big capacity, the largest capacity of water. Which one of the 3 has a larger capacity? This one, or this one? Can you circle with your finger? Can you point and circle it? Okay, very good. Did you get it? Okay, good job. Okay, next slide. Okay, we have here the measuring of volumes. Okay, we can use teaspoons and tablespoon to measure small amount of volume. Okay, we have 3 teaspoons here is equal to 1 tablespoon. Okay, these are the 3 teaspoon. 3 teaspoon is equal to 1 tablespoon. So we can also use cups to measure small amount of volume. These are the cups, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, 16 tablespoon is equal to 1 cup. So how many tablespoon here? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 tablespoon. So 16 tablespoon, we can fill here with the water with only 1 cup. Okay, do you understand? Okay, very good. Next, okay, look at the picture and fill in the boxes. Okay, this one, okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 cups to fill full the bottle. And this container, how many cups? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7 cups to fill this container. Okay, let's answer. Letter A. The blue bottle can hold, this one, the blue bottle. Okay, how many cups of water? Can you write? Can you write how many cups of water here? These are the blue bottle. How many cups? Can you see how many cups of water can fill the container? Very good. Letter B. The green bottle can hold, these are the green bottle. So how many cups of water? Can you write here? Can you guess the answer? Very good. And letter C. The blue bottle can hold, this one the blue bottle, fewer cups of water than the green bottle. So how many? How many? So you minus. So 6 minus 4. So the blue bottle can hold how many? Fewer cups of water than the green bottle? Write your answer here. Okay, if you are done, let's go to WB Worksheet 7.1. Okay. Okay, these are the capacity and volume 7.1 comparing capacities and volume. Number 1. Okay, which container has a bigger capacity? Is it A or B? Write your answer here. Okay, look at the picture carefully. Which container has a bigger capacity? Just write only A or B right here. Are you done? Very good. Letter B. Which container has a smaller capacity? Smaller capacity. Is it A or B? What is the answer? A or B? Write your answer here. Okay, number 2. Fill the blanks with more than or less than. So you will write more than or less than. More than means many, a lot of water. When you say less than, means little amount of water. Letter A. The volume of water A, this is the volume of water A, is what? Is it more than or less than the volume of water in B? Okay, look at the volume of water A than the water B. Is it more than or less than? Can you write the answer here? What is the answer? Is it more than or less than? The volume of water A. More than, less than. Right here. Letter B. Okay, C and D. The volume of water C. Look at the water C. It's not full. Look at the water D. It's full. The volume of water D. So what do you think in letter C is what? More than or less than water in D? Okay, this is C. Okay, is it more than or less than the volume of water in D? Okay, did you write it correctly? Okay, if you write it correctly, very good. Okay, next. Okay, here. Okay, we have here water from a pail and poured into each spoon in 1 tablespoon. So we have tablespoon here, letter A. These are the container from A, B, C, and D. Letter A, how many spoon? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tablespoon to full to fill full the water here, the volume of water here. Letter B. So how many tablespoon? 1, 2, 3. 3 tablespoon. Then letter C. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tablespoon. And letter D. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tablespoon in letter D. Letter A. Container has the biggest capacity. Which of the container here has the biggest capacity? Is it A, B, C, or D? Write your answer here. Container A, container B, container C, container D has the biggest capacity. Which of the four has the biggest capacity? A, B, C, or D? Right here. Letter B. Container has the smallest capacity. Which of these four containers has a smallest capacity? Is it A, B, C, or D? Look at the tablespoon. How many tablespoons to fill full each container? Right here, container A, B, C, or D has the smallest capacity. Only one answer. Which of these four container has the smallest capacity? Okay, and letter C, container and blank can hold the same number of scoop of water. Same number scoop of water. Which of these container has same number of scoop of water? A, B, C, or D? Okay, we have two answers here. Write your letter here. Then they have the same what? The same what? Same tablespoon. Because each, can answer here. Okay, letter D. Container can hold double the number of scoop of the water as container. Means a lot of water. Which container can hold double? Is it A, B, C, or D? What letter? Then scoop of water as container. What letter? A, B, C, or D? Right here. Okay. Did you get it? Did you answer correctly? Very good. If you answer correctly, good job. Okay, thank you, student, for learning online class. I hope we will study again so that we can learn a lot. Bye-bye. See you again next time.